How to mute chat notifications on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is find out your Telegram application and simply make a long press on the application. Now tap on the app info, and as a tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page. So you just have to wait for a while until it loads the page over here. So here you can see there are different options. So let's scroll down and tap on the option of notifications. Tap on notifications, and as a tap on notification you can just scroll down, or you can just see there are different options over here. Simply what you can do is tap on the or toggle on the option of show notification. So let's toggle off this option, and when you toggle off the option you'll be able to mute the chat notifications on Telegram. So you can just resume it or unmute the chat notification simply by toggling it on, and that's how you can do your chat notification issue on Telegram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.